Moving towards the leukocytes, the first one is the most common type, which are the neutrophils. Like I said, they're the most common leukocyte in the human blood, and a short-lived phagocytic cell whose granules contains numerous bactericidal substances. Neutrophils are the first cells to leave the blood and enter the sites of infection or inflammation. Eosinophil is a leukocyte with large refractile granules that contain a number of highly basic or cationic proteins. These are possibly important in killing larger parasites, including worms. Basophils have large basophilic granules that contain heparin and vasoactive amines. These are important in the inflammatory response. Now, these three cell types are often collectively referred to as granulocytes. Now, mast cells can be termed as large tissue cells that are derived from the circulating basophil. Mast cells are rapidly triggered by tissue damage to initiate the inflammatory response, which causes many forms of allergies. Remember that all these cells are built due to the presence of their specified growth factors. Growth factors are the molecules that control the proliferation and differentiation of hemopoietic cells. They are often also involved in regulating immune responses, for example, like interleukins or cytokines. Some of them were first discovered by hematologists and are called colony-stimulating factors, or CSF, but the different names have no real significance. And indeed, one of these, which is interleukin 3, is often known as multi-CSF. Growth factors are used in clinical practice to boost subset of blood cells. And erythropoietin was one of the first of the new generation of proteins that are produced by recombinant technology that are used in the clinic and by athletes wishing to increase their red cell numbers. So that is all about the quick review for the cells involved in immunity. If you want to find out more details, then log on to sqadia.com and learn something new every single day. Goodbye and see you soon.